You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, everyone. It is Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I have the first Cricut mystery box of the year. Yay! This one is going to be Cricut's red carpet mystery box. So when you think red carpet, what do you think of? Tuxedos, little black dresses. So this box is going to give us those black and whites, which are awesome because neutrals are always the thing I run out of the most because they get used the most. And we do have a cutie in this box. It is a repeat cutie. So we have had this little friend before, but we'll go ahead and show him at the end. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. First up in the box, we have some black everyday iron-on. So you're going to get 12 by 24 inches of the iron-on here. And remember, you don't just use this on shirts, you can use this on greeting cards, you can use this on home decor products. You can press it onto wood even. It adheres to wood really good. So if you want to make those wood decor if you want to make those wood decor projects, use some iron-on them. Woohoo! And we're also going to get some white. Now this is the Sports Flex iron-on. So this has the flex to it. So it's made for those activewear materials like polyester and nylon. It has that flex in it so it can bend and flex with the material. And then we're also getting some premium vinyl in white. Now this is the removable matte, right? Yeah, this is the removable matte premium white vinyl. So you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of this. Why is this so hard sometimes? Placement. Okay, we are getting some black, smart, permanent. We are getting some black, smart, permanent vinyl here. So this is the smart vinyl. So this is made for the Maker 3 and the Explorer 3 machines to cut matless. If you have one of those machines and you haven't tried it, try it because not only is it matless, but it cuts a lot quicker. So this is going to be 13 inches by 3 feet long. Now you're like, if I don't have the Maker 3 or the Explorer 3, can I still use it? Can cut it down, put it on a mat, and then just use your premium vinyl settings and then put more pressure on it. So you don't have to have the Maker 3 or Explorer 3 to use it. You can still take advantage of using it. Then we are getting a roll of the Cricut heat resistant tape. This is compatible with the infusible ink, so you can go ahead and use it on those projects. Go ahead and tape down. I'm actually going to do a project using a couple items in the mystery box here, and I'm going to use this. And I'm actually going to use this with the smart vinyl, and you're like, what project are you doing where you're using heat resistant tape and smart vinyl? Because that doesn't usually go together. And there's something else I'm going to use too. I'm going to be using infusible ink on a project and aluminum sheets. So I will have a video coming out soon to show you what I'm making with that. It's actually in my background. You might be able to see it. And, oh, okay, there we go. It's so hard to fit things in the picture sometimes. This is our Cricut Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock in black. And you are going to get 10 of the 13 by 13 sheets. Again, it's smart material, so that means it can cut in the Maker 3 or the Explorer 3 matless. And this is awesome because it's adhesive. So think a project where you're cutting, you might normally use cardstock, but you have a whole bunch of little pieces. What's great about this is you don't have to glue all those pieces because it's already sticky on the back. So you just peel and stick. Turn them into stickers. Again, you can use this in the other machines. You just want to cut it down and use it on a mat. And we are going to get a Cricut 12 by 12 light grip mat. So this is perfect to use with like printer paper, lighter cardstock, vellum. You can put acetate on it and different materials like that. And not only are we getting that mat, but we are getting two of the standard 12 by 12 Cricut mats. Which, as I always say, you can't have too many of these. And the price of mats has went up, so it's awesome that these are in the box. And then last but never least is our cutie. Our cutie. What color is he? Well, we do get something red in the red carpet theme because our cutie is the Merlot Cutie. Say hello to Merlot. He was out in April of 2022, so he is a repeat. He is like a great burgundy-ish, a Merlot, like a Merlot color, a darker red, almost burgundy-ish. Because we do have our cutie in the box, it is access only, so only access members can purchase, but links are below to go ahead and purchase access. The links are also below to go ahead and buy the mystery box, and the price is $59.99. but it's not because you get your access discount. That is everything that is in the Cricut. That is everything that's in the Cricut's red carpet mystery box. Oh, the words my brain says. Let me give you a quick peek at the tutorial I have coming up. If you can see it here, look at that. That is infusible ink pressed onto the Cricut aluminum sheet using the Smart Vinyl. Isn't that awesome? It's so pretty. I love the way it turned out. So thank you all for joining us. If you would give us the like and the subscribe or the thumbs up, it would be greatly, greatly appreciated. We appreciate you guys using our affiliate links. We do get a small portion of commission and it comes at no added cost to you. Also, if you're going to make purchases at Cricut.com, don't forget to use our discount code INSPIRE10. That's going to give you 10% off purchases of 100 or more and free shipping, but it does not include mystery boxes, machines, or the access-only exclusive deals. We will be having our Melody Lane giveaway, monthly giveaway announced soon, so be on the lookout for that. Also, in our social media groups, don't forget to go ahead and post a picture of a Melody Lane inspired project. Add the hashtag Melody Lane Inspired, and then every 2 weeks we pick a $50 winner who wins their choice of money in an Amazon gift card or PayPal. It's an easy way to win $50. It could be one of Melody's projects or something Melody inspired you to do. So go ahead and join our Facebook groups if you haven't. Down below in the video description are all our Facebook groups. One of them is Cricut Design Space. So go ahead and join us there if you haven't. We have our Patreon hangout coming up soon for our monthly $5 plus members. Information on joining our Patreon family you can find at patreon.com/melodylane. Not only do you get access to over 1,000 projects, but you get our awesome crafting Zoom. It's 24/7 and our crafty friends are in there all the time crafting, making friends with one another, and having a good time, being social, but being safe in their own home. So for more information on that, just go to patreon.com/melodylane. I want to thank all you wonderful people for joining me today and be looking forward to my tutorial on this coming out soon. I hope you all had a wonderful new year. I can't wait to see what else we have in 2023 with Cricut. So until next time, happy crafting, everyone. Bye. And then there's Alex Doodles. Bye, everyone. Now here's a shout out and a thank you to a few of our Platinum Plus subscribers on Patreon. Rachel, Shirley, Debbie, Jill, Tara, Teresa, Diana, Connie, Laura, Cheryl, Granny5, Viola, Barbara, Kathy, Andrea, Monique, Lori, and Ellen. Thank you all.